If you're aiming for a career in nursing, you've probably heard about the Nursing Entrance Exam, or the NLEX. So what is it really? In this explainer, we're going to break down this super important test from the National League for Nursing, and I'll show you why it's not some big scary roadblock, but actually the very first step on your amazing journey to becoming a healthcare professional.
So what's in it for you? Why do you have to take this thing? Well, the NCLEX isn't just about regurgitating facts you've memorized. It's your big chance to prove you've got a solid handle on those core subjects. It lets you show everyone you're ready for the tough but rewarding curriculum of nursing school, and honestly, it helps you build a standout application. Think of it as your first real opportunity to say, hey, I've got what it takes.
And here's the most important thing to get. The NEX isn't just about abstract school stuff. Nope. It's designed to mirror what you'll actually be doing as a nursing student. The kinds of questions you'll see, they directly test the skills you're gonna need when you're in a clinical setting, making critical decisions that affect patient safety, and working with a whole healthcare team. It's basically a sneak peek of your future responsibilities.
Okay, so who can actually take the NEX? Well, the National League for Nursing runs the exam. But here's the catch. Each nursing school sets its own rules. Usually you'll need to be an enrolled student and have already finished your prerequisites, like anatomy and physiology. And here's a really key point. This isn't a test you can just cram for the night before. It's specifically built to see what you've learned over time, to assess that foundational knowledge you already have.
All right, let's look at the exam itself. How's it structured? It's actually pretty straightforward. You've got 3 main sections: reading comprehension, math, and science. You get 60 minutes for each one, and each section has about 40 questions. All your work across these 3 areas gets combined into one single composite score that can range from 0 all the way up to 300.
Now, let's talk strategy. When it comes to time, you've really got to keep a steady pace. And here's something to keep in mind. Each section has a few unscored questions mixed in, but you won't know which ones they are. So just treat every question like it counts. Now, the scoring system has a huge advantage for you. There's absolutely no penalty for wrong answers. What does that mean? It means you should answer every single question. Don't leave anything blank. As for what's a passing score, well, that's up to each individual nursing program to decide.
This slide, this is basically your study guide right here. As you can see, reading, math, and biology are marked as high priority. These are your absolute core foundations. Chemistry is medium, and physics is a bit lower on the list. But look closely, what else is high priority? Critical thinking. That tells you everything you need to know. This exam isn't just about what you can memorize. It's all about how you use that knowledge to solve problems you'd see in the real world.
This checklist really breaks down how the exam tests those practical nursing skills. See, quantitative reasoning? That's not about some abstract math problem. It's about being able to correctly calculate a medication dosage. Reading for detail? That's being able to scan a patient's chart and catch something critical. These aren't just skills for a test. These are the skills that literally save lives.
All right, time to put this into practice. Here's a sample question that's a lot like what you'd find on the NCLEX. Go ahead and pause right here and try to solve it. Seriously, give it a shot. This is the exact kind of calculation you'd need to do in a clinic or hospital, where there is 0 room for error.
Okay, you ready? The correct answer is B, 14%. But honestly, the why is so much more important than the what. This kind of calculation is a fundamental everyday skill for figuring out medication dosages safely. A tiny math mistake in the real world can have huge consequences, and that's exactly why they test this so directly. Patient safety really does start right here, with this kind of math.
So now, let's zoom out a bit and look at where these skills will actually take you. A nursing career is incredibly diverse. The very same foundational knowledge that's tested on the NCLEX gets applied everywhere, from the fast-paced, high-stakes environment of a hospital ICU to a community health clinic focused on prevention, all the way to a long-term care facility providing that dedicated one-on-one care.
And no matter which path you end up choosing, these 2 standards are absolutely non-negotiable. First, patient safety always comes first. That means having the critical thinking skills to spot a potential problem and the confidence to question an order if it doesn't seem right. And just as important, you are the guardian of your patient's privacy. That means strict, unwavering adherence to HIPAA regulations, no exceptions.
This slide really gets to the heart of what turns a good nurse into a truly great one. It's about so much more than just completing tasks. It's about judgment. You'll constantly be prioritizing patient needs, making impartial decisions based on solid evidence, not just gut feelings, and collaborating with a whole team of other professionals. This is what critical thinking looks like when it's in action.
And underneath
every single thing you do as a nurse is a powerful ethical code. These 4 principles, autonomy, beneficence, non-maleficence, and justice, they're basically your moral compass. They guide you to respect a patient's choices, to always act in their best interest, to above all, do no harm, and to make sure everything you do is fair. This is the bedrock of the entire nursing profession.
So how in the world do you prepare for all this? Well, being prepared is your best defense against feeling overwhelmed. For sure, you can train your brain with practice questions and really zero in on those high-priority topics we talked about. But don't sleep on the power of group work. Seriously, just discussing concepts with your peers or even trying to teach a tough topic to someone else, that's one of the best ways to make sure you really, truly understand it.
Okay, so once you get your score, it's really important to see it in context. Yes, it's a key piece of your application, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. Admissions committees do what's called a holistic review. They're also looking at your GPA, your grades in those prerequisite courses, and your personal essays. A strong NEX score is fantastic. It helps you build a really powerful case that you're ready for the challenges of their program.
All right, let's wrap this up with a quick reference of the key takeaways. We've gone over the fees, the 3-section structure, the timing, and the scoring. But if you remember one thing, let it be this. The NCLEX is so much more than just a hurdle to jump over. It's a confirmation for you and for the schools that you have the foundational skills and the critical thinking abilities not just to get into nursing school, but to become a competent, caring, and truly successful nurse.
For free NEX practice test, you can either click the link in the description or simply scan the QR code on the screen.